A drum of mass m, it is rolling. This is how it is rolling. This is a drum. It is rolling along a plane which is inclined at an angle theta to the horizontal. It is of mass m and the radius is b. The drum is rolling without slipping. It is rolling and coming down. Its mass is m, means its weight w, which is equal to mg, is acting from the center vertically downwards. At the point of contact, this is the normal reaction force that is acting. Since it is rolling, there is a friction which is opposing its motion. So this is the frictional force F in the opposite direction. Then weight mg equal to W is acting downwards. Its sine component is acting along this direction. Cos component will be along this direction. Now the moment of inertia of the drum about its axis is passing through this center of mass. So the moment of inertia I0 equal to mb square by 2. F is the frictional force. A is the linear acceleration. Alpha is the angular acceleration. It is rolling down. It is moving in a clockwise manner. The translation of center of mass is given by the equation of motion of center of mass you can get by the force acting downwards. Translation means it is moving in this direction. So W sine theta is acting in this direction. F is acting in the opposite direction. So we can write W sine theta minus F, that is equal to the force acting MA. Then rotation of center of mass is given by, due to the rotational motion, the torque is BF. BF will be equal to I0 alpha. So instead of F, I can write from this expression F is equal to I0 alpha by B. You can substitute that in this expression so that W sine theta minus I0 alpha by B equal to MA. Now for the drum to be rolling without slipping, acceleration A should be equal to B alpha. We know velocity V equal to R omega. Here R radius is B. So V equal to B omega, and d by dt of V, that is acceleration, d by dt of omega is alpha. So A equal to B alpha or alpha equal to A by B. So you can make this substitution. I'm rewriting this equation over here. W sine theta minus I0 alpha by B equal to MA, and I0 equal to M B square by 2. I0 alpha by B. This is I0 alpha by B. In that case, I'm going to substitute, instead of I0, MB square by 2. Then alpha by B, I'm writing as A by B into 1 by B. So that is what is written over here. So B square and here B square will cancel. What remains is MA by 2. So instead of I0 alpha by B, I can write MA by 2. So W sine theta minus MA by 2 is equal to MA. So rearranging, you can get the expression for the acceleration A as equal to 2 by 3 G sine theta. So that is one method. Another method of doing it is, we are going to find out the torque about origin A. Earlier we have discussed this situation with respect to the center of mass. The next case, we are going to consider the motion with respect to origin A. So this is rotating. Omega is the angular velocity. V is the linear velocity. This is the vector R. This is R perpendicular. This is R parallel. I have resolved R into the two components, parallel and perpendicular components. Now about Z axis, the torque acting to tau Z is equal to tau 0, which is about the center of mass, plus R cross F, its Z component. Tau 0 is equal to minus R perpendicular into F. it is rotating in the clockwise direction. So the sign convention is negative. So minus r perpendicular F. And F is equal to, here the force acting as frictional force is acting in this direction. W sine theta is acting in this direction. So F is equal to F minus W sine theta along, if you consider this direction. Then perpendicular to the plane, this is along the plane. Now if you look at the situation which is perpendicular to the plane, the normal reaction N is acting in this direction, and you have the component of W, that is W cos theta, in the opposite direction. So the force acting normal or perpendicular to the plane at the point of contact will be F equal to N minus W cos theta. And R perpendicular is having the value equal to B. So I can make these substitutions. R cross F has got, R is, we are resolving into parallel and perpendicular component. We have done such analysis earlier also. So tau 0 is minus R perpendicular F plus this will be resolving into R perpendicular and RF, so that I can write minus R perpendicular F plus R perpendicular into F minus corresponding to R cross F. Along the perpendicular means you will have to consider the force which is in the plane, that is F minus W sine theta. Now the component parallel to the plane are parallel, and you have to take the force which is perpendicular or normal to the plane, that is N minus W cos theta. So if you resolve this, you will get it like this. Here the normal reaction force N is equal to W cos theta. So N minus W cos theta will be equal to 0. So our force N minus W cos theta, this becomes 0, means this term will vanish. So what remains is minus R perpendicular F plus R perpendicular into small f minus B, because R perpendicular is equal to B, W sine theta. I made the substitution. These two will cancel. What remains is minus B W sine theta. That will be equal to the component of torque along the Z direction. Now angular momentum about origin A. L is equal to angular momentum about the center of mass and angular momentum of the center of mass about the origin A. Its Z component. So that is equal to minus I0 omega plus R cross MB Z. I0 minus I0 omega is equal to, I0 is MB square by 2. So I made the substitution over here. And R cross MV, its Z component is MB omega square, because R perpendicular will be equal to B. So rearranging this, simplifying, you get it as L is equal to minus 3 by 2 MB square omega. Torque tau Z is d by dt of Lz. So take the time derivative. M and B are constant. So d omega by dt will be alpha. So I'll get minus 3 by 2 MB square alpha. That is equal to, earlier we have found out here, tau Z equal to minus BW sine theta. So substitute that here. This is equal to minus BW sine theta. You arrange these two similar terms. Rearranging, you get alpha is equal to 2 by 3 W by MB sine theta. W is mg. Substitute for mg, m and m will cancel. So you'll get 2 by 3 G by B sine theta. So you can arrange A is equal to B into alpha. So A is equal to B in 2 by 3 G B by B sine theta. B and B will cancel. You get 2 by 3 G sine theta.